Hello students, today we will see some few more sums from the exercise 5.3. So we will continue with question number 4. The first question here is a plus b by c plus b plus c by a plus c plus a by b is greater than 6. We need to prove this. So for that, see, a comma b comma c is greater than 0 and we know that arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. So I will take two terms here, a square plus a square and b square. So the arithmetic mean will be a square plus b square divided by 2, which is greater than root over a square into b square. Now remove this root over sign, so I'll get here ab. So here a square plus b square divided by 2 is greater than ab. Okay. Which implies that a square plus b square is greater than twice of ab. Now I multiply c with a square plus b square, and again with twice ab I multiply c. So I get here c into a square plus b square greater than twice abc. Keep this one as equation number 1. Similarly, I can write b into c square plus a square greater than twice abc. Keep this one as equation number 2. And the third equation will be a into b square plus c square greater than twice abc. Now add these three equations. What we will get? 1 plus 2 plus 3. If I do this, c into a square plus b square this term, plus b into c square plus a square this term, plus a into b square plus c square this term is greater than twice abc plus twice abc plus twice abc. Now multiply this, c into a square, so a square c plus b square c plus c square b plus a square b plus ab square plus ac square is greater than 6 abc. Okay. Now rearrange the terms. A square b plus ab square plus b square c plus bc square plus c square a plus ca square is greater than 6 abc. Now from these two terms, if I take ab common, I get here a plus b. From these two terms bc common, I get b plus c here. Again from that the rest of the two terms, I'll take ca common, I'll get c plus a, which is greater than 6 abc. Now this term, keep this one as it is and bring that abc here as a denominator. We get that one as greater than 6. Now ab into a plus b divided by abc, divide each term with abc, plus bc into b plus c divided by abc, plus ca into c plus a divided by abc, which is greater than 6. So here I will cancel ab and I get a plus b divided by c plus b plus c divided by a plus c plus a divided by b, which is greater than 6. So this is what we need to prove. Now let us move on to question number 4. AB by A plus B plus BC by B plus C plus CA by C plus A is less than half of A plus B plus C. We need to prove this. Now again, A comma B comma C greater than 0 and arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. So consider A and B. So A plus B divided by 2 is greater than root over AB. Again, A plus B is greater than twice of root AB square. So A plus B whole square is greater than twice AB whole square. So A plus B whole square is greater than 2 root over AB whole square, that means 4AB. Okay. Now A plus B whole square can be written as A plus B into A plus B greater than 4AB. A plus B divided by 4 is greater than AB divided by A plus B. This A plus B is taken here and the 4 comes this side. So AB, here I get A plus B divided by 4 is greater than AB divided by A plus B. So this can also be written as AB divided by A plus B is less than A plus B divided by 4. So I keep this one as equation number 1. Similarly, BC divided by B plus C is less than B plus C divided by 4. Keep this one as equation number 2. And lastly, CA divided by C plus A is less than C plus A divided by 4. Keep this one as equation number 3. Now add these three equations. Now after adding the three equations, we get here AB by A plus B plus BC by B plus C plus CA by C plus A is less than A plus B by 4 plus B plus C by 4 plus C plus A by 4. Now 1 by 4 you take common, then you will get A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. So from here twice of A plus twice of B plus twice of C will get. That means what? Take 2 common, then you will get A plus B plus C. Cancel this 4 into, you will get 2 here. So AB plus AB divided by A plus B plus BC divided by B plus C plus CA divided by C plus A is less than 1 by 2 of A plus B plus C. This is what we need to prove. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question, number 5. If a comma b comma c is greater than 0 and a plus b plus c is equal to 1, then we need to show that 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c is greater than equal to 8abc. It is given that a comma b comma c is greater than 0, right? And also a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So here we can say that 1 minus a is equal to b plus c. 1 minus a is equal to b plus c. Similarly, 1 minus b is equal to c plus a and 1 minus c is equal to a plus b. Now we know that arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. So for that we can now write here that a plus b divided by 2 is greater than equal to root over ab. Now in place of a plus b I can write 1 minus c, just now we have found out. So 1 minus c divided by 2 greater than equal to root over ab. 1 minus c is greater than equal to twice root over ab. So keep this one as equation number 1. Again, similarly we can write 1 minus a is greater than equal to twice of bc. Keep this one as equation 2. And 1 minus b is greater than equal to twice root over ca. Keep this one as equation number c. Now multiply these three equations. Now if we multiply these three equations, we get 1 minus c into 1 minus a into 1 minus b is greater than equal to twice root over ab, twice root over bc and twice root over ce. So see, 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c will give me greater than equal to 8 root over a square, b square, c square. So if I remove the square root sign here, then I get here abc. Therefore I can say that 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c is greater than equal to 8abc. Okay, so we have completed till number 5. Then from the next video onwards we will continue with the rest of the sums. Okay, thank you.